Girls? Hey, nope.
What, they already running? They already running? Oh, they beat him to the car, baby!
Hey! Stop!
Hold on!
Stop!
What we doing? Hold on. That was quick, faster than the motherfucker. Hold on. They beat the officer to the car?
Girls? Hey, nope.
Boy, she got will. She didn't waste no time. And she was able to lock the door, too? Hey, gotta give it to her on that one.
Stop!
He said, halt! Halt! Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fushika. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, baby. Check this out, man. We about to tap into a video that I got sent, man. What we on? Thief on house arrest is still out shop. How my people doing today? How my people doing today? Tap down in the comment section, 1 through 10. We not even gonna hold it up. Get down in the comment section, 1 through 10. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. You know what I'm saying? These people got to be out their spiritual realm. You're on house support, and you decide to go back out shoplifting. Don't you got the little the shit on your ankle? All right, bet. We got a giveaway going down on the 21st, man. Make sure you tap in, tell a friend, watch the ads, watch the video, hype the video. Man, come on, let's get these motherfucking videos. We gotta start getting this shit back up to how it used to be. 30K views, 40K views, 100,000. It's only one way to do it. And I know YouTube is having it's one of the big reasons it's not is because the people are not getting their notifications until 3 and 4 days later. So that hinders the video within the first hour you put it out, first day you put it out, first whatever. Because people are not getting that video till days later. That hinders the views. So there's only so much we could do, but let's do our best. Shoplifting with an ankle monitor on. You got to be because you're on house arrest.
Girls? Hey, nope.
What, they already running? They already running? Oh, they beat him to the car, baby!
Hey! Stop!
Hold on!
Stop!
What we doing? Hold on. That was quick, faster than the motherfucker. Hold on. They beat the officer to the car?
Girls? Hey, nope.
Boy, she got will. She didn't waste no time. And she was able to lock the door, too? Hey, gotta give it to her on that one.
Stop!
He said, halt! Halt! Sir, they're not stopping here in the car. They made it already. Come on, Honda! Start your ass up! They're out of there. Gone. Oh, he's running after me!
Going eastbound 95th Street, Edward Victor.
Oh, they gone. They up out of there. I mean, up out of there.
All right, coming up on 78th Avenue. Actually, turn south, 78th Avenue.
We're still calling up the directions, though.
Alright, coming up on 78th Avenue. Actually, turn south, 78th Avenue. Alright, you got the 20, I got the Edward Victor.
Oh, there you go. He caught up to him. They're in a Hyundai. You know what I'm saying?
Hickory, southbound 78th Court. I'm behind that vehicle.
I know they down a residential street, though. That's them houses right there.
797.
That ain't a good look.
Back 95th.
Oh, that ain't a good look. Call that motherfucking chase off. That's crazy work. Woo wait. Hey, for a woman driver, she go up type crazy on him. She got some good handleries. I gotta give it to her on that one for sure. She dipping. Damn, officer, you supposed to have the good engine in your car. That Hyundai smokery.
Hickory still going northbound 70 or 78th Ave, approaching the park over there.
So you called it off a little bit, okay.
Even pushing like
Yeah, he's not even pursuing. Smart decision, sir. Uh-oh, he said back
Gonna go
action.
off the dead end again off of
Oh!
90th Street.
Alright, terminate the pursuit.
He said terminate the pursuit?
Track 4.
Oh, he terminate the pursuit is what he said.
632 Hickory.
That's fine. We can saturate the area, but we're not chasing the car all around the school spot.
Oh, they over there by a school. Hell yeah.
Where the f*** did it go?
Where the fuck did they go? They did it in somebody's garage. They out of there.
Was anybody able to get the plate?
Oh, he found it.
Milford Court, Edward Victor 41426.
Oh, he found. They get to the house, baby. Damn, they good. They are good.
Got a female took off southbound from here.
On foot?
Yeah, affirmative. What's she wearing? What's she? What was she wearing?
294 heading that way now.
What was she wearing? Wearing dark clothing. You can start setting up the perimeter. Car's unoccupied.
Sir, you gonna take off some of that down equipment?
65,
They dipped up out of there.
female blacks, both struggling approximately 20 and 25 years old. Small, maybe under 5'7". I think one was very pink and one was very red. 931, I'm in route. You can clear me from this animal complaint. We're going to hold on to the dog. Down far. Hey, what's your toy? You still at the car?
Yeah, I'm at Milford Court. They ran north from here.
Can I get the description one more time? Did one have like gray hoodie, gray sweats, and pink flops or something?
Lieutenant on the prowl.
Alright, 965 advised. 2 female blacks, 20 to 25. On the
You're done running. Come here.
One wearing pink and one wearing red.
Come here. You're done running. You're done running. I'm gonna go.
965 to 910.
You're not done running, sir. Are you crazy?
Wearing gray.
Stop running right now. You're done.
She can't hop that fence.
What the hell was that? Get on the ground. Stop it.
Damn.
Stop. Get on. Stop or I'm gonna tase you.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
You're done. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Damn. Now you're gonna get a resistance charge, baby. You got caught now.
I'm gonna tase you.
Okay, I'll let it go.
910 Hickory. I got one of the females in the backyard. You're off 91st. Stop or I'm gonna tase you for real.
What did I do? Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Come on, put your hands behind your back. Here, watch your back. I got it. Affirmative.
Breathing heavy, huh? It's over, baby.
Sounds weird.
Let go of my fingers. You're done, all right? Stop.
What did I do, sir?
It's simple retail theft. Stop fighting us.
Out of where? All right.
Well, got you spread open like a baked potato.
All right, can you walk like a lady and stop?
Walk like a lady.
What did I do?
32, you were unreadable.
910 Hickory, sorry about that. First Street, one female.
Oh, the Hickory. They said 9 by Hickory. Hickory, doc.
Alright, I got the location. One female in custody.
Yeah, affirmative.
She's the one with the
green sweater and tight pants. Still looking for the other one.
Yeah, we're patted down real quick. We'll situate those cuffs a little bit.
Okay, please let them know my baby's at home, please.
Oh, we're going to hang on the phone for a
later.
minute, and then we'll get you those phone calls, all right?
I don't got anything.
What do you want us?
She had someone else with her. They're pushing south. If you guys want to grab, he was supposed to be on 94th Street. If you guys want to see if they're still moving in that direction, I just saw it coming off of 78th Ave. So.
Should we call it toll?
Oh, no, if you want to go mobile with it, yeah. They should still be pushing like south.
Should we call for a toll?
Thanks, Joe.
Just call for a toll.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let me get my head on straight here.
No.
Let's get these situated a little bit better.
Okay, yes.
Hey, young lady, you gotta stop now, all right? No more fighting. No more flying kicks into the fence. You're gonna hurt yourself over nonsense. It's nonsense, all right?
All right.
It's a retail theft. They don't care about that here.
Yeah, but you guys don't know she on
Yeah,
probationary.
Probation, though. I'm on house arrest.
Chill
right
out
now.
with it. It's fine.
It's not. My baby's at home. I didn't really.
We're
do
gonna make
nothing.
sure the baby gets okay, all right?
Yeah, she might be able to get out of
Hold
that
on.
one. Let me check. Give it a
I
little
ain't
bit
gonna
tighter.
run no more.
Did you leave your baby at home by yourself while you went out to shoplift? Everybody's a parent. Ain't meant to be a parent. Sometimes it just whoops upside your head. It happens. If you catch my drift. Spread your legs though. Purpose type. You know what I'm saying?
No, I appreciate
But I know
that.
that you guys gotta do that job.
I just don't want you to get hurt. Flying
I
kicks into the
know,
fence?
Keith,
Come
I
on,
know,
you're a
I
grown
know.
woman. That's gonna hurt you.
He talking like a daddy.
What's Manny?
He's 33.
91033. Are you still with the car?
Can I please just make that call?
We will make
Okay.
it once we fix it.
All right, let's get a hook around.
Because my baby's at home.
Can you go on the other side?
Hey, you worried about your damn baby now
Victor, can you run the hook?
instead of beforehand. Like, what are we talking about?
Baby's okay if someone's with you.
What's your name?
My Kia.
Makita. Chill out a little bit. It's all right. We're
Not
gonna
okay.
work with you. Probation or not,
I'm
it's
on
not worth
house
getting
arrest right
hurt.
now.
It's not worth getting hurt over. That's crazy. All right. It's a simple retail theft. We're gonna work through it with you. Okay? Are you?
Shout out to the officer.
Is there someone else like that's gonna be hurt right now running
Let's
around?
go check the rear of 7724, 81st Street, and 7708.
Hey, how are you today?
1481st.
Are you in the area for a reason?
No, I'm coming for the Uber for the lady. I don't know.
Yes. Who requested an Uber?
They called her Uber.
Oh, she's in there. Okay.
Oh, you need
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry. Yeah, you can open the doors, please.
it? Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm Uber.
Thank you. We believe you.
Yeah.
We believe you.
But he said go to McDonald's quickly.
Yeah, that's no problem. Do you have your license with you, quick?
Can I meet out?
Oh, yeah. You're good. We're after her, not you. It's okay.
Check your license.
Police got me.
Oh, she was in the Uber.
910 Hickory, we got the second female in custody.
That's my car. That's her car. So she told me to pull off.
910.
That's somebody else's car.
Hickory 901, we have
Hey, Joe, we got a cage car. Oh, I'm sorry. We got a cage car on the other side. Absolutely. Hey, young lady. Hey, we're with Hickory Hills. We're gonna talk to you and get everything squared away for you and your friend. All right? I know. We'll explain.
Did you guys say that other female was in that car?
We'll talk to
Drove,
you.
you ran off, then you drove off.
910 Hickory, that's affirmative. Both the females are in custody.
Before I got to the car door handle.
Thank you.
Yeah, we did have the air. I don't think we did, but we can release it. Everything's 10-4.
So I got to figure out that.
They used to see what was anything. I don't have nothing, so.
That's all right. We'll figure all that out. All right?
Yeah, I'm taking them off right now.
It doesn't give you like a username or
Did we find either of their bags?
931 Hickory. Can you open Valley
With the I mean, I assume they're
They
with
both
the car.
have bags, yeah.
I haven't been back by the car yet.
What's Manny?
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Oh, 6'3". Or I'm sorry. He's 33.
Man, he's still over there trying to jump that wood fence over there.
965 to 933. Were the bags that the women were pictured leaving Walgreens inside the vehicle? Yeah, from his both bags are in here. Each one and the tan one or white one.
You want seatbelts in this one?
No.
All right, 10-4. I'm gonna come to your location.
Hickory 931, transporting one female to lockup.
Every time I hear Hickory now, you know what come after Hickory.
79.9. 621 79.9.
Misdemeanor retail theft or resisting a peace officer. No information is available on the outcome of her case. She was on probation too, though, so she definitely gonna get in trouble for that. And you left your baby at home.
Just 43 doors.
Resisting, aggravated fleeing, and eluding. She was given numerous citations related to the traffic violation. She was driving crazy. She a getaway driver for real. I ain't gonna lie, baby. You better than the last ones we've been seeing. In addition, she was revealed that she had 4 active failure to appear warrants. She was held in custody until that's why she got warrants. She did about that mother. I ain't gonna lie. Still reckless, baby. But you ass can drive. I ain't gonna lie to you. Out of there. How you go steal on probation, bro? Then all of a sudden after you get all caught, oh my baby, it's not okay. Yeah, it wasn't okay as soon as you stepped out your ass the house, knew you was gonna go steal some shit. Y'all motherfuckers still want to go steal, y'all still want to go steal something. And all these stores that have like 10,000 cameras, think you're gonna be part of the 1% that get away with it and have to stuff your down without them seeing it. They got camera every much way but loose. Only motherfucking camera ain't up your cootery. Okay? Y'all gonna keep trying it. Y'all gonna keep... Man, the YNW's getting out of control. I ain't gonna lie. We've been seeing a lot more women in these videos. The YNWs are getting out of control. The YNs ain't even going as crazy as the YNWs. Man, what is going on here? This day and age and changed, boy. Shoo, whoosh, the last 10 years. Matter of fact, let's say since COVID. Since COVID went down, YNW's going type crazy. Type in the comment section, man. Y'all notice that trend? Like, what's going on here? You look young enough that you can get their shit together, but you gotta get your shit together. And when you got a baby, you gotta get your shit together. For your baby grow up in the same situation, then they can't stay shit together. You gotta do it for your kid, bro. Once you have a kid, it's not even about you no more. And you shouldn't be having kids if you can't take care of them. But once you have them, you gotta go get 2, 3, 4, 5, however many jobs you gotta have. You can't go straight to the thievery, because then if you go in jail, then who's going to take care of your baby? Then you're going to be in there, oh, my baby. You're going to go give it to your mama. And your mama done raised you, now they got to raise your child too. Cut it out, man. We got to do better. That's all I'm going to say, man. We're going to tap to the next video. We're going to keep on calling them out. We're going to keep on doing what we're doing. We're going to hold them accountable because nobody else will. Nobody going to do it but us. If you don't like it, don't tap down the comment section. That means you part of the problem, okay? We're going to hold the people accountable, man. Because we held accountable, so why are we not going to do it to everybody else? This shit getting crazy, bro.